Hi friends, I'm going to show you here how you can use the CheckTime HR application. First you open the application, then you can log in with your company ID, then you have to put your user ID, then just enter your password. Once you enter the password, you just click sign in. Wait for a while, your application will be ready. So this is your dashboard data. You can check from here how many people present, absent. You want to see the leave request, how many is pending, just go to here. You can see all the leave requests pending. You can take the action from here. On the leave, just go to here. You can take the action on the leave. You want to view by filter, then select all. Whichever department you want to see, you can see from here the leave everything. You want to see only approved, pending, rejected, everything you can select from the filter. And after this, you want to see how many overtime requests you have, you can take from here. And if you have any action, you are the authorized for approval, you can do the approval from here. Then after this, if you want to see how many people present, just click the present, you can see how many people is present. You want to see view all, you can see view all people, some of the absent, some of the present. So this is the report here. Then after this, if you want to see attendance report, just go to report, you can see from here. Leave information you can see from here, and overtime request you can see from here. Then just click here. You can add employee list, you can select by department, which department have how many employee. Okay, then this is your, or if you this data will be load. If you want to refresh data, just click here, refresh. This will be refresh your data, how many people present, absent. By default is load. You can refresh data from here how many times you want. And after this, you can just go to add NFC card. If you want to add the NFC card, allow the permission, then click add NFC. Enter the location where you want to place. I want to place in Kuala Lumpur, radius 500 meter. Then click scan card. Then you must have your NFC card ready. You can scan your NFC card. Once your NFC card scan done, that's okay. So your NFC card will be appear. Now your employee can do the attendance with this NFC card. So that's how you use CheckTime HR application.